Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to TMP Group. I'm Tom and today is Monday. It's the 29th of November, 2021. And we are 4 weeks into our Amazon All-In versus DCA challenge, where I come on and show you the difference between going all in on a stock or all in on a position versus DCA. And we chose Amazon for this one. So we appreciate you tuning in and checking us out today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications down below. We try to come on here at least once or twice a day, Monday through Friday, and then a couple of times on the weekends. Typically on the weekends, we like to go over our crypto plays. We ask that you share this with your friends and family because we are about building long-term generational wealth, and we believe that it is not good enough for us just to become wealthy for ourselves, but to have something to leave for our posterity, our children, their children, so on and so forth. And if you like what you hear today, hit the like button, give us a big thumbs up. It sure helps with the YouTube algorithm to get this out to more and more people. And yeah, we just appreciate you coming in. Feel free to leave a comment below whether or not you prefer to DCA or to go all in on a position. And if you've done it, what type of success you've had with it. This is not financial advice. This is simply my opinion and the collective opinions of the TMP Group. We are a small group of private investors and traders that are trying to build generational wealth for our families, like I said. So again, we appreciate you stopping by, and let's take a look and see what's going on with Amazon. So today, Amazon closed at $3,561.57. When we first bought into Amazon and did this challenge, we added one share to our the head TMP, the major TMP portfolio in TD Ameritrade, and we paid $3,510.88. And you can go back and look at the previous videos to track us. We at that time decided, I came on here and said, we're going to buy one share and we're going to isolate that share and see how it does over the next 7 weeks, basically, because there were 7 Mondays until Christmas, which would be Monday, December the 20th. And then every Monday, including the 8th, we were going to put at least $500 into Amazon and DCA our way up to $3,510.88. So on Monday the 8th, alongside of buying the full share of Amazon for $3,510.88, I put a fractional share buy into a Robinhood account for $510.88. And then on Monday the 15th and Monday the 22nd, I put another $500 in. And then on the 29th today, I dropped another $500 in. Now, it's extremely hard to time the market, and we believe that time in the market is valued over timing the market, and the DCA will show. Again, this is just a short DCA over 7 weeks. However, it is a way to put 2 extra shares of Amazon in our portfolio, and we're very bullish on Amazon for the long term. So let's take a look. On Monday the 15th, $35.1088, that's the value of the stock. Simultaneously, we bought $510.88, so we were a break even. When we moved to the next Monday, which was the 15th, Amazon was trading at $3,546 when we bought it. So we were up about $36 off of our initial investment. And we DCA'd another $500, so we actually averaged up. So week 1 was a loser for the DCA. Week 2, 11/22, Amazon got as high as on Monday $3,686, which is a $176 gain, and we bought back in and averaged up. So week 2, the DCA lost. Week number, the 4th week, or the 3rd time we DCA'd, which was the 29th today. I tried to time the market. I bought in at $3,581, another $500, and Amazon ended up closing up today a little bit lower at $3,561.57. So we are roughly $51 positive on the full share and $16 positive overall on the DCA. So we'll have to wait and see. We have another buy coming up on 12/6, and then we have another buy coming up on the 13th of December, and then our final buy on this DCA challenge will be on the 20th of December. That's the Monday before Christmas. At that time, we hope to be holding 2 full shares of Amazon, in addition to the other shares that we have. So let's talk a little bit about DCA. DCA is dollar cost averaging. If you are convicted on a particular stock and you're trying to get in at the right time, we highly recommend dollar cost averaging into that stock or into that position, whether it be a stock or a cryptocurrency or a fund. Just because over time, stocks, funds, and cryptocurrency, they tend to move up and they tend to move down. Now, you're in a winner if you're trying to go long on a stock or an asset, if the highs continue to become higher and the lows continue to become higher. And that's what's happening with Amazon. Now, for some people, including some traders and investors in our group, a $3,500 position at one time is not affordable for them. They want to be in other positions. They don't want to put all their eggs in one basket. So dollar cost averaging into high valued stocks or a position, if you wanted to have a $10,000 position, let's say in Ford, which trades right around $20, instead of buying $10,000 worth, maybe you buy 1,000 for 10 weeks. And you catch the highs, you catch the lows, and it should average out. We do always prefer DCA to all in. However, there are times where we are dead wrong and the all in position pays off. So that all just depends on what type of a bankroll that you're working with and how much money you have set aside. We do always recommend to have some funds set aside when the stock market gives us a sale. For example, last week, especially Wednesday and Friday, the market definitely it didn't crash, but as far as our portfolios go, they got hammered pretty hard. And if you follow us, you know that we're heavy in the tech sector, heavy in the EV sector, have a lot of shares of DraftKings. You name it, we got hit on Wednesday and we got hit on Friday. What happened today? The market bounced right back. And we are up across the board. Our positions are green. I believe that the overall TMP fund, the TD Ameritrade account, was up about 2.25% today overall. We had some losers in there, but you're always going to have losers when you have a diversified portfolio. But for the most part, we like to zoom out, take a look at our stocks, look at our plays, positions that we plan on holding for upwards of 5 to 10 years, and see zoom out and see what they've been able to do for us. A couple of quick bonus stocks today I want to talk about because we did really good today. I told you a couple days ago that we went long on some calls on NVIDIA, and we had 335 calls, 1223 335s. We did very well when we first bought them. NVIDIA went straight up, and then on Friday we gave back almost all of it. We were at about a 32% gain, and we went back down to about a 10% gain. Today we're back up, and we're at about a 50% gain on there. We paid $2,030 for those calls. The calls printed all the way up above 3,000. So we'll look at probably getting out of those. 235 is our strike price. We do have until the 23rd of December on NVIDIA. So I want to see NVIDIA keep running. I think NVIDIA can hit upwards of the 350. It is our favorite chip stock, and we love NVIDIA. Another one that I came out, I think it was 6 days ago, so it would have been on Sunday of last week, and I talked a little bit about Matterport, ticker symbol MTTR. Matterport had a great run today. Matterport was up at least, I think 18% today. Let me just verify that really quick. And Matterport, if you're not familiar with Matterport or you're new to the channel, Matterport is one of our metaverse plays. It's in our metaverse portfolio. Trades under ticker symbol MTTR. It closed today up 21% at 33.05. So if we track it back to Sunday when we were talking about it, Matterport was trading right around $26.25. So up to 33.05, we got a great run on it. Matterport is the 3D imaging company that has been working with Facebook. We know that Facebook changed its name to Meta, and it's all in the metaverse. We're highly convicted on metaverse plays, and we try to bring plays to the table that are not necessarily mainstream. Matterport, having the digital technology to create 3D imaging, virtual tours. Think about when you go on to Redfin or Open Door or Zillow and you take a 3D tour. A lot of the technology in those videos, Matterport is behind. and it does a lot of 3D imaging, virtual 3D tours. We think Matterport has a great future. We put our price target in the next 12 months on Matterport at $50, which gives it room almost to double. We're at $33.05 right now. We just moved from 26 to 33. That's a $7 run in 6 days. And we see that the momentum behind Matterport, as far as stocks go, it's got a lot of room to run. Okay, if you didn't catch yesterday's video, which was the best cryptocurrency or altcoins to have in your metaverse portfolio, take a look at that one. I do have 2 links down below. I have one link to crypto.com, where when you stake a minimum of $400 in Crow coin, they're going to give you $25 of Crow, and they'll give me $25 of Crow. We love the CRO token. There's also a link to Coinbase. I personally like to trade my altcoins and cryptocurrency in Coinbase and crypto.com. It's good to have 2 wallets or multiple platforms, because let's face it, Coinbase doesn't carry all the coins that crypto.com does, and vice versa. We do see crypto.com, though, moving out far ahead of the other platforms and becoming the leader. So we're heavy on crypto.com. There's also a link to Robinhood. There's a link to Webull, where you can buy and purchase some cryptocurrency and altcoins, but you can get into fractional shares to build your portfolio. And I always like to say that it doesn't matter how much money you invest, just put some money in the market, make it work for you. You go to bed at night, the money works. You wake up, it's been working. You go to work and come home, that money follows you home, and it brings home its friends, and it continues to work for you. Let's build generational wealth, if not just for us, but our posterity, our family, and our family's family for generations to come. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you did, leave it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching to the end, and share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video.